morning everyone, it's Mr. Stanley here again to do our Golden Ticket Assembly for Key Stage 2 this week ending the 14th of March. Yeah, it's the 14th of March, halfway through March already. I was saying, isn't it great that spring's here? The rate we're going, it'll soon be summer. Let's hope so, because the weather has turned colder. But we've had an amazing week in school. So let's see who's won a Golden Ticket this week. Starting with my class. This person is someone who is a hugely valued member of our class. As the year has gone on, they have become much more confident and absolutely in every subject, this has been obvious. Happy and independent around the classroom too. They have creative ideas for writing and are often sharing these with the rest of the class during class discussions. They work incredibly hard across all subjects and especially love maths. And I know Mrs. George has also been picking out how well you've been doing. So they are always reading 5 times or more at home and are in the Hall of Fame every week. They are kind, helpful and friendly to all within the year group. Well done to it's Shimon. Amazing, Shimon. Do you know when me and Mrs. George had a discussion about you this week, she literally just went, yes, that's exactly what I was thinking about as well. So you're impressing me and Mrs. George equally. Everything you're doing at the moment, you're coming in with a big smile on your face. It's brilliant to see and the progress you're making is amazing. So keep that going. Next, Mrs. Begum. This child is hardworking and has great determination. Over the recent months, they have been putting in a lot of effort in class and always go above and beyond with extra work at home. They have a drive to complete additional work daily to help reinforce what they have learned at school. Keep up with the good work. And this goes to Rafaela. Well done, Rafaela. Always with a big smile on your face. Always very determined, often very determined to be first back on the minibus after swimming as well. You love to race the others to get changed quickly. But everything you do is about trying to improve yourself at the moment, so keep that going. Let's move on to year 4, and it's Miss Atherton's class. This week, our Golden Ticket goes to someone who consistently tries their best in all lessons. They put their hand up to answer questions all the time. They are a valued member of the class. They always read more than 5 times a week and are regularly in the Hall of Fame for Maths Whiz and star player on Times Table Rock Stars. Well done to it's Zara. Well done, Zara. I love the smile you always have on your face as well. And beautifully dressing up last week for our Well Book Day. But yeah, brilliant that you're in Maths Whiz and the Hall of Fame for TTRS and all those things. You're trying so hard at home and we're noticing that. So that's where you got the Golden Ticket. Well done. Let's move on to Miss White. This person is a calm and consistent member of our class. We can rely on them to set an amazing example to other children every single day. They read and work hard at home and school. They are kind and patient with everyone and always look for ways to share the load. We really like how they continue to push themselves to improve, and it's lovely to see their confidence and enthusiasm growing every week. We are still waiting to hear their loud voice in school, but we certainly notice the impact they have. A well-deserved second Golden Ticket for Emily. Emily, I know how much you love being at school because you're always smiling, you're always laughing, but you're also working incredibly hard. I know from when I taught you last year, I was always impressed by your creative ideas and sometimes different ideas that no one else has. So you're really impressing, and to get your second Golden Ticket is fantastic. Very well done. Let's move on to Miss Barrett and year 5. Our Golden Ticket in 5HB this week goes to someone who always impresses us with their enthusiasm for school. They come into school smiling every day. They are always prepared for the day ahead, and they are a kind and caring member of the class who gets on well with teachers and pupils alike. This child brightens up every classroom and they are such a delight to have around school. Congratulations and keep it up. It's Sophia. Well done, Sophia. That's a lovely picture again, dressed up last week. And that is your typical face. You always smile. You greet people on the gate with a smile. You're smiling around class. You smile in school, in every lesson. I never see you complain or get in a mood about anything. It's just everything's an opportunity. You're living your best life, it looks like, Sophia. Brilliant. Keep that up. Next, it's Miss Percy. Our Golden Ticket this week is awarded to someone who is really pushing themselves in their learning, particularly in English. This child is increasing their stamina for writing and working hard to improve based on adult feedback. They are growing in independence and always come into school with a positive attitude and a smile on their face. As well as this, they have not missed a day of school this term. Well done for earning your first golden ticket of year 5. A huge well done to Penny. Again, we talk about smiles. Just talk about smiles from the other class in year 5. You're always smiling, Penny. You always seem to be loving being in school. And we love your infectious enthusiasm for everything. So well done. And to get your first golden ticket at this point, brilliant. Keep that up. Keep up that extra work you've been doing. This week for Miss Musselwhite, my golden ticket this week goes again to someone that stands out in every single way. They go above and beyond in everything we ask of them. They read every single day, sometimes twice, are kind and incredibly helpful. Every piece of work this child is producing shows the effort they are putting in, and they are consequently making good progress. Through all of this, their good sense of humour and fun remains steadfast, yet appropriate. They thoroughly deserve their second golden ticket of the year. A huge well done to Dorcas. Brilliant. Yeah, you have such a good sense of humour. I know when I've been teaching you for games this week, you just always seem to be smiling and enthusiastic, and you're clearly impressing your teachers who you have every day in year 6. So that is brilliant. In the run up to the SATs, you're doing everything right. So keep that going. Amazing. Next, Mr. Davidson. At a time when everybody is feverishly embracing every opportunity and striving to maximise their progress ahead of SATs, which I've already mentioned, this child has continued to shine and go above and beyond in all lessons. They constantly seek feedback on their work, willingly help others, and take the utmost care with everything they produce. This week, their fluency in maths has continued to soar and impress while they have completed an excellent balanced argument and embraced our rocking readers sessions. They are a joy to have in the class and will undoubtedly flourish in secondary school. Congratulations to Casper! Well done, Casper. Seems like you're just impressing everyone at the moment with everything you're doing. So many things there listed by Mr. Davidson, and you just seem to be calmly getting on. I've noticed in class when I've been in year 6, you're just very calm and just very assured in thinking, I know what I'm doing here. Keep that amazing progress up, particularly again towards the SAT. You'll do very well. Okay, what a fantastic week, everyone. Yes, the weather was a bit grottier and it's got a little bit colder, but it will get better. And with some things we can do this week, hopefully with a little bit of sunshine. What can we do over the weekend? This weekend, show your best manners. Pleases and thank yous go a long way. Yes, your parents will be very impressed if you use them. Read at least 5 times. Please keep that reading up. We've seen that some people have got golden tickets because they're making sure they're doing more reading. And Maths Wiz Hall of Fame. Try and get in there. Some classes have been amazing on that. My class have been pretty good, I have to say. But can we do even better? So everybody, it's the end of the week. Have a great weekend. I may see you next week, although Mr. Allen might be back. We've seen him around school. It's been great to have him back in. We never know. He might be here next week. Fingers crossed. Bye-bye now.